Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about optimize your main image for maximum impact. Let's get into it. When it comes to selling successfully on Amazon, one of the most overlooked but most powerful elements of your listing is the main image. From the moment a shopper searches for a product, the first thing that grabs their attention is that image. It's your digital storefront, and it plays a huge role in whether or not someone clicks on your listing. Amazon requires a white background and doesn't allow text, logos, or extra elements in the main image. But even within those rules, there's a lot of room to be creative. The key is to make sure the product fills most of the frame, at least 85%, and that it's high resolution. A crisp, bright, high DPI image stands out more, especially when surrounded by low-quality competitors. If the image is dull or too small, it won't catch the eye, but if it's sharp and vibrant, shoppers are much more likely to stop scrolling. It's a smart move to create multiple versions of the main image and test them. This can be done using services like PickFu or Amazon's own Manage Your Experiments tool for A/B testing. Testing helps you determine which image draws the most clicks and converts best. And that's really the goal, getting more people to your listing and increasing your chances of a sale. If you're selling a small item, a great technique is to include a human element, like a hand holding the product. This adds context and makes the image feel more relatable. It also helps show the product size without adding extra graphics. Even though Amazon's rules are strict, a hand can often be included without issue if the product remains the focus. Now, for sellers launching a new listing, especially if it's their first product, this step is even more critical. New listings don't have any traction yet, no reviews, no history, so everything depends on how well that image performs. In these cases, it's important to pair a strong image with a traffic-driving strategy. Run sponsored product and sponsored brand ads to get visibility right away. For established sellers launching a new variation or product, there may already be some brand trust, but a strong main image still makes a big difference. Along with your image, running coupons and discounts can help you earn badges like limited time deal or coupon available. These badges show directly on the search results page and work together with your image to increase click-through rate. If your product also has good ratings and an optimized title, these elements all combine to build strong visibility. The best case scenario is when your product appears in the sponsored brand banner, sponsored product slot, and also ranks organically for a keyword. If all three show up together and your image stands out, you significantly increase your chances of winning the click and the sale. So make sure your main image isn't just compliant but optimized. Test different versions, focus on quality, and use every opportunity to make your product stand out visually. This can be the difference between a product that struggles and one that thrives. If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.